lines, but the dirt working crew that built these tracks, they have the tough job.
You said something a while back to me that the hardest part is actually planning everything. Ultimately, racing is like the world's best video game. Are you ready to play video games today?
You know, it's people ask me, how do you do it? How do you jump in the car? And to be honest with you, driving a race car is still a vacation for me.
Vacation. Well, I think tonight everybody's going to be living vicariously through you on your vacation. Once again, Robby Gordon, keep your eye on the number 7 Speed Energy truck. Robby?
Well, thank you. Thanks everybody for coming. I think the show's getting better. The competition's getting